We are so happy here to be at our new Excel Academy building here in Henderson, Nevada. With a larger building, more resources, bigger classrooms, conference and boot camp capability, we are able to accept more students and deliver better test prep, college counseling, and help increase each student's goals. Our individualized attention remains the same. We pride ourselves on the tailored curriculum that we are able to provide to all students of all ability levels to reach their goals. I also want to share the exciting news that we are growing out into our community. We have formed partnerships with our local elementary, middle, high school, and local libraries. We are bringing our instruction and creating partnerships to bring success to all students. As our society moves fast with technology, we are incorporating some new AI technology into our test prep courses. We have some shorter tests that the students can take that helps deliver results faster and helps us tailor the curriculum directly to them so that we can help raise their scores. So please come visit our new building or go to our website so that you can learn more about our various programs, including our new AI technology and our test prep courses, our K-12 programs, as well as our college counseling. Thank you.